Today's RV hack of the day is going to be about the drip pan inside the fridge of your camper. Have you ever opened a door and wondered why there was water either on top of your Tupperware or on the floor? Or the reason is because your actual drip tray is not retaining the water to where it goes outside in the drainage tube to actually go down into the trough that's inside your camper slide. So I'm going to go through a couple steps here with you to kind of show you how to actually go ahead and achieve a better drainage for your fridge. So here we are, we have a Grand Design Reflection. There's these two white long panels that are on each side of your shelving, which retains your shelving so they don't fly out during transportation. You're going to go ahead and remove those 4 screws, typical Phillips head screwdriver. Once you remove those, then we can get better access to the drip pan by removing the actual shelving. Okay, once the shelving's removed, then now you can access the drip pan. So the drip pan here is usually attached by this bigger tube here, which is your drainage tube that goes outside to the actual drain pan. I put some paper towels down to catch a little bit of dripping coming off the fins. So at this point, what I did is I actually pulled this out and I replaced it, as you can see, with this little plastic pipe. So what it does is it's a feeder tube which will feed in from the actual drainage into the white PVC pipe that they actually have going outside. So the actual stuff I got is the polyethylene tubing. It's pretty good stuff. It's rated for up to 140 psi. Obviously it's just, you're just using it as a drainage tube. That's the diameter that I have for this camper. So I use about a 2-inch piece, maybe 3-inch piece, that I connect to the port back here first prior to actually putting it in the drainage tube to go outside. And then from that point, I'll show you guys how we put the drip tray back on. All right, so here we are, tubes back in drainage pan, and now we're gonna go ahead and put it back in our fridge. Make sure your grooves line up. Biggest thing is just guide the tube that you attached in, and you should hear mine clips in a little bit, and that's it. So now it's basically in there. Anything that's going to drip off the fins will actually go right in the drainage tray and down into the drainage tube instead of actually dripping on all the food, Tupperware, or all the way down the back to where it runs out the front of your fridge. All right, here we are. I told you I'd come outside and show you the drainage tube and the pan that it goes in. So on this Reflection that I have, it's just 2 little pins. You turn them, you go ahead and open this up. So now you'll see the white tube that was coming out of the back of your fridge. It comes down and drains right there in the drip pan. So it shows you that it works. Before this was always empty. My fridge was filled, this was not. Now it's vice versa. So now we have a lot of good water in there and nothing in the fridge. So if you like the video, please comment, like, subscribe. And if you want another RV tip, please ask.